remember that
Oh.
12,000 reported home and
Sabi mo 12,000?
Oh, para naman sa...
Oh, medyo nakikita yung likod ko.
Ay, grabe.
Ay! Ayoko niyan.
Buka ko nga ilaw.
Iba po, three.
Ayoko ng ganito.
Gago ko face card that may sariling ulo si Mountain.
It's tall.
No. Oh.
Oh, what the fuck?
Pabuto. It's giving anong tawag doon sa horror na mga parang hindi may wala.
Oh my, it's a beautiful Saturday. Weather outside, 82 degrees.
Final
82
destination.
degrees? 82 degrees?
Ayan, itain mo lang yan, eh.
Ala?
Ito ko yellow. Hindi, dapat banana. Eat fruits. Hold nyo lang, hold nyo lang. Yummy.
Yummy.
That was such a darn good banana.
It's not that good, bro.
May second floor, tara.
Hot right now. Water
Ang
daw.
dilim dito.
Ay, pwede niyo buksan yung mga blinds.
Oh my lord, ang lag.
Oh, tubig daw.
Dapat i-close natin.
Refreshing.
Gago, sino nang iinom sa sink?
Last night, mom and dad left for the weekend.
So,
The whole thing was
Ali.
so sudden. And very
Wala, Ali.
uncharacteristic of them.
Agapo yun.
They were trying to act calm, but I am no little kid.
Ayun,
Right.
puta. May piso.
I've been 18 for 4 months now, but they still treat me like a child. I wish I
Dito sa
could be
second floor.
with them and help.
Baba ang mga blighting.
They left me a list of chores. Ayun. I can at least help out by doing chores.
Oh,
Where is the list?
that's so
May balcony.
this is my, oh my god. What?
Ay, yung lista. Nasa
Sobrang
rin.
liwanag na.
Oh, yeah.
Pala.
Oh, never mind. Pwede bang umalis ka dyan?
Ay, kaya.
Oh, feed the animals. Axel, kain na.
Kaya na, sir.
Yan, nawala yun yun.
Okay.
Ayun lang.
Dark face.
Mali mo.
What do you want, Benson?
Last night,
Ay, may boses siya.
me and the boys were gonna pass by your house on our way to Trevor's later. Looks like
Naman sana. Hindi pa ko rin. Hindi mo ako make up. Padalahin.
What?
Ay. Ay. Ah, bully.
What is this? Enemies to lovers?
From
I
stranger.
can stand that. Kaya kasi
And
may
this Chris will be
feelings
home
ka.
tonight if Benson comes around. Right. You have one unheard message.
Asan yung hayop mo
Ayun,
eh?
na-jinx ka na.
Ayos din, oh. Nangyari.
Jinx.
Kilala talaga dito. Tapos
Ay.
Ayun. Tayo ka nun, te.
Daw, hindi ko narinig.
Outside.
Oh, ayun na, nauna pala yung sa labas yun.
Wala na tatapon yung sarili niya. Oh, laki na ng bahay. Sa'yo lahat to.
Oh,
My God. Very isolated ka, te.
oo. Look
Gagas
ano
yung
to.
kayo natin eh.
Sa probinsya, hindi ganito.
Totoo.
Kahit pa paano may mga, ano naman, may mga bahay-bahay
What's that
naman.
sound?
Ay,
Oh, ayun. Oh.
ang weird ah.
That car dropped something on the road. Wow.
Okay, pasok pa tayo sa loob.
Something strange.
Graduhan.
Fuck you.
You're to be highly classified.
Ang lag, what the fuck?
Fallen angels. Ano to? Like, weeping angels. Gagawin.
Naman.
Wala ko yan, eh. Oh, yeah?
Ako yun. Ano ba kayo?
Well,
Ito na kasi ako.
I should keep this paper safe.
Kayong kayo yun. Kaya kayo binaba
Just in
kasi
case
sa
that
samahan
car
nyo.
comes looking for them.
O, ba't mo
Wala? Sabi na, ano na sabi?
Because I want to take a look at them.
Ayun,
My room
wait,
should be a great place.
Wait. A minute.
Where's your room?
Ay,
Where?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hindi kinakaano yun, gago.
Ano yun? Ano meron?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my God! Yes, yun!
May nakatayo sa ano, te. Hallway.
Buksan niyo yung ilaw!
Nakalin siya sa wall.
What the actual god yun?
Oh my God! Buksan niyo yun! Gagi!
Looks pregnant.
Buksan niyo yung ilaw!
I'm
Oh, diba? Buksan yung
Wala.
ilaw. Binuksan
Ito
yung ilaw.
ko natin kay Usuel kasi ng bahay.
Sabi yung room
Anong
ko.
painting to? It's very weird. Tira mo yung ano, tira mo yung frame.
What's that?
Tang, ina laki kasi ng builds mo, te. Guess while I'm up here, I should do my homework. I'm not... Oh my god. Ang lag sa akin.
Huwag mo sabihin,
What is your name?
Gagawin name natin.
Henry.
Henry? Sige, Henry.
Ah, tama.
4.
4.
3.
3.
Oh, 4.5.
What?
No, 4.5 yan, te. I'm kidding.
8.
Pati ko maklik.
Choose
Eight ba yun?
next.
Putangin na,
Tuesday
ayoko.
next.
Biology or astronomy?
Astronomy.
Ay, hindi ko ba? Biology.
Ay, nag-astronomy ako. Wala akong paka sa inyo.
Moon.
What is it called?
Oh.
Mitochondria.
What's
Oh,
Solid?
tama ako, di ba? Purpose are DNA similar to that computer.
Siyempre, kung ano yung number doon.
Ready ko
How
ata.
long is one light?
year in
Okay,
miles?
so I got him.
Billion
That's what.
miles.
Siyempre, 1,370
How large is
million.
the ano?
Ano yan?
Siyempre, mas malaki, 93 billion. Ay, 90 billion. Mali ako.
So,
93?
How large the university
How many atoms are contained in the singles? Siyempre, billion.
We will most likely never know the size of the universe. How large do you think the universe truly is?
Tangin na, hindi matapos-tapos 10 over 10 na ako.
What is the Big
Sure,
Bang?
give it enough time.
But it's a big bang. Okay,
Give
okay.
it enough time, a dog could evolve into human.
YG.
Ano, top, G-Drag.
Wala ako.
Fuck you.
Well, nag-biology ako this time. Ako lang nag-biology?
No, yeah.
Astronomy kami para ni, pero snack. Ayun, alam ko na yan eh. May
Alam ko na yan eh, ako yung magiging snack eh.
Ayun.
Ay, bakit naman?
Ayun, na-promise ka
No,
na.
it's so dark.
Hindi nyo
I
mabaho.
don't want to go there.
Ang dilim. Gabi na ba?
Sinong artist dito?
Wala, paggabi na.
Gabi. Hapon pa lang. Ang dilim sa baba.
Girl, dapat kasi inopen nyo to, di ba? Sana naman din, no? O, di ba liwanag?
Ang sad. Shoota.
Ito snacks to. It's for nuts. Here.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Sorry.
It's time to go up.
Ano bang
Let's say to finish it. Putang ina mo.
Ang ano naman?
Wait, I think... Oh, never mind. Balik.
Ayun na yung mga friends niya.
Na...
Oo, ang ginagawa mo dyan.
Tanong niya, what's your
Bakit?
favorite horror movie? Oh,
Diba
never
very
mind.
nice house? Girl,
Sarado
it is
Oh, thank you.
Luto yung blinds doon. Luto yung blinds doon.
I-close mo.
Iko-close na nga yung mga blind.
That was strange. Wow.
Sounded like they were outside.
Tayo na po naman sa outside ah.
I'd be getting distracted.
Kaya mag-assignment lang tayo at puro match lang. Please ng awa
And
na.
to finish my work.
Kaya ayokong lumabas.
Okay.
Oop!
Tingnan mo ng look.
Oh my god!
What's going on? What happened? What happened? What happened?
Oh my god, under the bed!
What happened?
Wow.
Ginailak mo na yan. Wala ka nang pake sa bahay. Sa room na lang tayo palagi.
Ano ba yan? Bakit may investigahan?
Let's go.
Kasi magagawa.
It's our house. We have to.
Ay, muna.
La, parang gago si Lalo.
Yun. Maldita. Uy, di talaga ako gumawa ng nakapala mukha mo.
Sabi ko mo.
Ano ko na?
Baba.
Uy, ba't niyo ako nilakanta ano?
Halika na!
Kanyo.
Sino nag-lock sa'yo, Faith?
Ko alam.
Oh my god, nabasag yung ano.
Yung blinds, oh my god.
Wala namang.
Bakit nagkakaibigan yung character siya? Bakit nagkakaibig yung character mo?
What's happening?
Oh,
Mom and Dad are going to
Ay, yung
when
mga
they get back.
barkada mo. Nagbakot
tanong,
sa
babalik pa ba
bahay
sila?
namin.
I need to clean this up the best I
I
can.
need to clean this up the best I can.
Actually, I think, ang dapat mo, may barn dun, oh. Oh my god.
Hindi yung horse natin.
Don't tell me na
Wala na-
pupunta tayo dun ah.
Can we
Wala
like,
namang ano din.
I would see
Feeling
na
ko
siya.
na.
Ang lag, what the fuck?
Kaya ngayon, lag nga dun sa Barney. Lag ako pag tumitingin ako.
Hindi nga talaga yung name natin.
Yes, ba?
Ayun na ba, ayun na ba.
Pwede yung homework na yan, ah.
Alam ko na to eh.
Pwede nga pa yung homework na yan, awa na lang
Ano lang
sana.
ako sa baba. Bala kayo dyan.
Nakabukas sa pintuan, oh.
We did open it.
Oh my god.
Ay,
Ito naman.
sagot.
Salamat
Ay.
lang.
Ayun naman.
Don't?
Uy,
Oh.
Umikit lang siya, guys.
Sobrang lag.
Wala nang sleeping pills.
may kakalabog.
Or,
Oh, eh.
Hello?
Wala
Hello?
to yun.
yes.
Have you
Bakit
been
bawal ka dun
been
ka, no?
Do you believe your life? No.
No.
Your life has purpose.
If you could change that, would you or would I? Bakit yes lang? OA?
Our thoughts are what defines us. Every last person on this planet has done, said, or thought evil.
Oh.
There is only
is
one
only one.
exception.
You are.
Would you believe
Would you
someone
believe
with your life
someone
if they never told a lie?
Yeah.
No matter how extravagant their claims.
At sino naman nagtatanong na ito sa akin?
Oh, ano yun?
Ano
Henry,
yun?
you do not have much time. Oh,
Oh my God.
no matter what happens, all that will ever matter is whether you believe the one who never lied.
Going to
Oh
happen.
my god, Angel nga. Hello?
Gago, demonyo na to, tayo.
That
No,
kayo,
fuck. I don't wanna look. I don't want to
Do you
look.
do what?
I don't want to look.
At saan?
Please? No, I don't.
Where?
No.
I don't-
I refuse to find it.
Ay, ayun,
No,
may
what
mata.
the-
May mata,
Tang ina, nakikilit yung likod ko, guys. I don't like this.
Where are you now? Mulberry. Mulberry tayo. Mulberry tayo. Mulberry.
You like quizzes?
You like it, huh?
Do you know this is Fallen Angel?
Fallen angel.
Holy angel yan, te?
We can see you
Sabi, di
through
ba
the
kanina?
glass.
Oh, Lord.
No!
The glass of
I
what?
don't like being
Ba't
watched.
na nahimik si
No.
Lala?
Dito kasi nakapikit ako.
Actually, tinatakpan ko rin yung screen. Ano yung pintuan ko?
Oh, what time is it? Girl, it's 7 a.m.
At pala pinaghugas niyo po na ako bago ako maglaro.
Wala ka na ba kasama? Bring us with you.
Tulog na sila.
Ano, i-vlog mo na lang yung ano, i-vlog mo na lang dishwashing ASMR, ganun.
Crap, bakit naman gabi mo bababalakan mag ano? Yes, wow. Double tap.
Tila, ang weird ng frame nila. Oh, look at the frame. Wait lang talaga siya. I don't want to understand it. I don't want to answer the door.
Oh.
Wag na.
Wala ko tape ako dun sa ano, sa room. Teleport pa rin pala ako.
Guys.
Talaga?
Oh!
No! No, guys!
No,
No!
no.
Broke down a mile back. I don't think na kaya mo pang maglakad ng isang mile.
Yeah, no, kaya yun. Alam
Ate,
mo,
lolo.
I'm sorry, I
Why are
can't
you
help.
so
Why are
far
you so far away?
Why, I'm sorry. I can't help.
No, why are you so far away? Answer my question.
Sino yan? Sino nag-vote ng ano?
Oh my god.
Sorry, I can't help you. Buti na ko.
Na yun, nagalit siya.
We're tens
We're
of miles away from any other soul. How
What
do
do
you know?
Like I already said, I can't help
cannot help you.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh,
It's gonna
Lord.
go rage mode.
No!
No!
May kasama tayo.
Oh my God.
May kasama tayo.
Let me inside.
Sabi yung magsama tayo, sino kasama ko?
No.
Oh, shit. Oh, Lord.
Oh!
Alam mo, ganyan din ako, hindi ko na ako yung gusto ko eh.
Guilt-trip na lang yan.
Oh my god, look at... Oh my god,
Oh!
it's raining. Oh my god, back na.
Ayun, nag-transform siya.
Oh my.
Ano nangyari? Nakapikit yung mata ko.
Nag-transform siya into like Vecna something, then...
Oh my God!
Yung kulon nun.
Yes, sabay na tayo ah.
Wait a second. Looks just like Benson's Halloween costume last year. Benson must be pulling my leg. Don't be stupid, bro.
You know what? Till,
Kasi nabubuli ka ang kapal ng mukha mo.
Hindi mo may isip yung gano'n. At saka una sa lahat, hindi mo pala
Must
mapakain
admit,
yung kabayo.
this prank sure there.
No!
Alam mo, talaga dito.
Kasi matiteleport din naman tayo. Lahat eh.
So, what's the point? Kung gusto mo kami mag-press ng W.
So my point is pointless. Diba? Nag-teleport to. So like, what's the point?
I-press mo lang yung W.
Ini-act ko lahat. Grabe.
Diba? Di ba tayo nakakawat sa ano, kawayo oh.
Andito na yung isa. Wag na. Wag natin hanapin. Kaya pa mag-reproduce nito.
I don't
Sir,
think we need to
Ba't
find
ang layo ng
them.
isang horse?
They should find us.
Ba't ang layo?
I don't care. Let the horses starve.
Wala, follow the
Ba't hindi
path daw.
follow the path?
Hindi naman sila mamamatay if you don't feed them for one day.
Yeah.
Napaka-suicidal mo. Takot ka ba kay Chris? Ang kapatid mo.
Yan,
kayo
si
na?
ano mo. Yeah.
Going dito way. Ang lag sobra, Diyos ko, guys.
Oh my God.
Natin.
Narinig yun? Narinig yun?
No.
Narinig yun?
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Pray here.
Yung daanan.
Actually, let's go straight.
Let's go.
Eh?
Lord.
Let's go
Saan?
left.
Titigil ako.
Left? Tama talaga?
Let's go right because it's always right. Let's go.
Yes, I.
Lagi
Let's go left because...
Alam ko kasi ng katawan ko.
Actually, let's go left because it's not right.
Left.
Nga, pwede. Yak, kadiri!
What's that?
Ano to?
Oh no! Yung kabayan natin ang balatan.
Oh my gosh!
Balatan.
Something killed the horses. I bet it was
Is that
stupid
even
wolves.
Girl, that is not a stupid wolf.
It's Walco.
Girl, if wolf yan, sana man
Tangina, you made me walk.
Teleport mo na lang kami.
Tangina.
Return inside. Dito na lang.
Ay, nabi.
Yeah.
Uy,
Oh
nakapit
my
ako
God, that one is... Oh, merong tao sa bahay.
Actually, hindi ako ganun katakot. Ay, oh my God, that's so brave. Attention. The following information
Sabi,
has been
nakikita ko yung-
classified for any purpose without... your point is Dr. Alan Fletcher. Passcode. The rest of the papers are locked behind a reinforced passcode. Should also take a look at this VHS. Punta tayo sa baba.
I can't see a thing.
Oh my god, fuck this shit.
Ay
Ipigit
na ako
na ako.
mauuna. Ay nakabili.
Ipigit ako nun. Who the fuck put?
What do you mean?
No, we moved here recently and still have a lot of boxes to unpack.
Ilasay lang
Most of
magbubukas
it
ng
is
TV sa
dad's old
basement.
equipment and papers.
Kaya,
Insert. Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Pwede mo mag-back up ka. Masyado ka malapit eh. Beautiful great footage. $500. Sa'yo na yan.
utang pa nga natin.
Actually, hindi. Kasi nalaglag niya eh. So, kasalanan niya kasi careless siya.
Kaya,
Nangyari.
Congratulations. If you are viewing this training tape, that means you're
tahimik ng lahat ha. Nanonood talaga.
Walang subtitle eh.
this tape is
Ano yan? Hindi ko makita.
while you can encounter wild on duty.
Bakit
Come across an American millionaire.
American
Okay.
Blackbear, what
Your
the?
eastern
Okay.
systems and
Please.
location.
I don't think the first one is up here.
Tumarinig ka.
Cougars.
Bakit
What the fuck?
Hindi sila. Ay, tangin mo.
Gago ko guys yan. Paano nakuha?
Coyotes.
No, bro.
Hindi yan
Hindi
kayo.
They're much more uglier than
Ikaw
that.
ang sila ewan.
Sabihin ko naman piso. Ay, naman sa tingin sa ako.
Lost person.
Ayaw ako pala.
Oh my God, ang
Right.
creepy.
Kasi if lost
Sobrang
person ka,
creepy.
ganyan lang yung posture mo.
Legit ba?
Makes so much.
Oh, paano na lang?
Si old man oh.
Yan nga eh.
Humanoids. Gagawin.
Medyo matagal ah. Pag-umuntan ako pag nakita
When you
nila
spot a humanoid, you're required to report as much information as you can over your emergency radio.
Paano malaman kung di ba ito?
Do not return until you have successfully reported a humanoid or you will be sent back to prison. Jail me. Splash marks. Okay, meron na tayo niyan sa taas.
Yeah. Sa baba.
Spine cut, large pillars of bone and organic matter are strong indicators. Oh my god.
I think, ayun yung...
Go to sleep? What?
What if...
I don't think
Sige,
I will.
matulog na ako kayo.
May EMF oh.
Yun nga, kita ko rin eh. Gago, dalawa na ti.
What do you
Yung dalawa
mean?
na.
Ito oh.
You are
You
dreaming.
are dreaming. Still
Still
don't remember.
remember? How could you forget? Henry's special day. Happy birthday!
Say, what is that?
Today was a very special day.
Upstairs.
Oh,
Today we went shopping and I love coffee.
Yuta. Oh my god. Oh, first time with the Yuta girls.
Gotcha.
Look barely. Let me tell you all about it. No. I don't think gusto siya marinig. Woke up again this morning.
Okay. Ah, shit, nakusot yun.
Oh, I hate ano.
Oh my god, cementerio.
1992. Mom told me to turn off the camera. She said it is very important. Mom and Dad have enough battery to capture something. Ayo.
2:44 p.m.
Holy escape. We were driving for a very long time until we were with Daryl. Daryl Dixon better.
Kagulo akong narinig.
Sabi niya, take this motion. I take this camera with motion sensor. Because delikado daw.
Ah, yun pala yung kanina. Yung nakita sa basement.
Yeah, I think. Dahil namang time skip na.
Reset ka.
Instead of counting to process more, before long was time for bed. Here's a picture of our campsite.
Gabi na picture ko yun. Totoo.
Oh my god, I took lots of pictures. I spent a long time taking pictures and working on them.
Oh, now what? I think hindi ka
I feel like you have a very weird taste. I don't want to see it.
Picture ng ganyan.
Some murder on the loop.
Hindi parang yun yung worst. So worst.
Wait, guys. I was 16 in the prom.
Diba, that crazy little girl running up and down the block. So weird.
Ba't nakita ba yung
Uy, ayun, freak ended. Axel, magaling ka talaga. Oh,
Mom and Dad were working all night. They didn't get what they wanted. Eventually, they went to sleep.
Laging
I think yung magulang natin, nag-work for ano. Doon sa same classified files na nakuha natin.
Naman guy, oh.
Wala ka pa sabihin? I feel like, I woke up someone's minute. Don't.
Di ba tutulog
Don't.
tayo?
Don't.
Mom and Dad were.
Don't.
Dapat matulog natin.
Don't do it.
The boys was really far. Ikaw lola yan, te?
Gago. Si Elsa yan gago. Ay, may camera sa
Ay, ito yung camera.
Ay, no, oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, pwede
Oh
to
my,
take away.
nadetect ko. Oh my god, it's close to
This
me.
bitch is true.
Parang banda.
I hate stupid bitches like him. Oh my God.
Ngayon na pumalik ka. Hindi ka na bata para maging curious.
The voice stopped.
I place the camera.
I placed the camera down. Sabi mo, bumalik ka na.
Well,
Oh, of course he didn't. Oh my god.
sino kasi Elsa? Awa naman te. Walang naghahanap sa'yo.
Pero nakinig yan.
Oh my god.
Ang ino naman.
Lala?
Oh my god.
Magdabag ako
Wow,
nakapikit
this
dito.
is so fun. Wow, oh my god.
Ayun, yung malapit sa akin kayo.
Ayun, nakikita ko na siya.
Yun yung
Legit ba?
minalapit. Lokang ko na yun.
That's a lot, bro.
Ang dami
Dami nilo.
I can't see. No, I can't see.
12 feet. Ayun.
Oh my god. It's Slenderman.
Kagasin na yun, mami, Oni. Oh, loko.
Oh, loko.
Eventually, I get bored and get back.
Thank god, bro. Oh my god. The smartest thing you've done all day.
Thanks for watching.
Fuck you, Henry. Fuck you. Ay, nakita ko sa TikTok, I don't like this.
I don't like this.
Don't let it in. Ay, gaga, i-move niyo yung ano light.
What do you mean?
Like, use cursor. Like, hindi. Like, gamitin niyo yung mouse. Oh my god, shit.
Anong gagawin ko? Itututok ko siya pa yung flashlight?
No, I don't know. I think you just have to, like, look around. No, I don't wanna.
Ayoko gawin.
Oh my
Pwede ba
God.
ito cursor?
Ito. Punch.
No!
Girl, pumilit ako.
Oh my god, nakikilit yung likod ko. It's not funny.
Ang ina.
Oh my God, ayoko.
Oh my god. Oh, loko.
Am I dead?
No. Oh, i-move niyo ulit.
Sabi si Axel yun ah. Eh, nakikita ko siya ngayon. Nasa gilid lang natin.
You know what? Hindi ko na yung move yung mouse ko.
Ako rin. Nakita ko
She
siya
can
ngayon,
see
literal.
shit.
Pangatlo yan nagpapakita. Ayun siya oh. Ay, gagawin siya.
Ito, gilid oh.
Pwede po bang hindi na galawin? Axel,
I
kaya
can't
mo na
see
to.
anything. At dahil dyan, matutulog ako na nakabukas ang pintuan later. Oh my god, nandun siya. Black shadow lang siya, I think. Oh!
Yun na.
Oh, okay yung ina.
Oh my god, look at that. What the fuck? Holy legs.
You have been here before.
Your parents have to.
Oh my god, I feel like someone's behind me.
Incoming broadcast. Oh my god.
Hindi ko marinig. Translation lang sa akin, guys.
Nakikita niyo ba siya? Wala, muffled lang yung voice niya.
Oh, fuck. Ay, nakaisip lang laro na to. Gawin niya kasi psychopath siya.
Oh my god, I don't like his eyes.
Staring
Kapit
at
lang ako guys.
me.
Ano nangyayari?
Lala, open your eyes for like a second.
No.
Yes,
Like 1 second lang.
No.
No, 1 second
No.
lang. You have to see. For the experience, you have to see.
Maghuhugas pa ako.
No, you have, for the experience, you have to
Pumunta ka
see.
dito ba?
Open it for a
Oo,
second.
hindi.
Oh, wala na, wala na.
Baba lang. Baba lang. Baba
It's
lang.
not, actually. Don't trust. Don't believe it. Hindi totoo, hindi totoo.
Ang
Oh my
instant.
God. Bago lumiwa. Ayun, luminaw.
Let me cut. Protector. Just stop. Oh my god, look at, tira mo yung kamay niyo. I swear.
Hindi ko makita. Nakita ko yung buhok ni Axel.
Takbo, malaki siya.
What happened? Ano nangyari?
Like,
Kamay.
yung kamay niyang na mukhang chicken legs, pinatay yung ilaw. Oh my god, guys. No, why would you open that door? Oh, I hate.
My goodness.
Ew. What the fuck?
Yeah!
Wala lang siya. Okay. Pwede po tayong uminom ng tubig, Henry, kasi medyo madilaw na siya. I need to hide someone's behind.
Dude, open this. Open the curtains, open the curtains.
We open the door.
Oh my god. Oh my god, shit. I feel like this game better if let's take sa Steam siya and you have like the mic on.
True. Kahit hininga mo, te.
Like mic detector.
Ikaw ko lang gumagano.
Bakit parang lumiliwanag?
Kaya nga,
May sarili flashlight.
piling sa ano.
May tubig ng God.
Oh my god.
I think isang buhay lang tayo lahat.
No,
Ay, hindi,
oh my God,
hindi.
no.
Uy!
No,
Patay
okay,
ako.
bye guys.
Patay ako, patay ako, patay.
One
Oh,
life.
open niya. What the fuck is this? What is this?
Patay ako. Oh.
Oh,
Oh my
shit,
god.
this girl.
No thanks.
Okay, hindi siya ganun ka-scary if like, ganyan siya. Guys, I think,
This is our only way of
oh my god. Of course it does.
Putang ina, yung kitty nandun sa taas eh.
Is this blood on the ground?
Putang ina, no.
Ay, just run, bro. Oh my god. He's dead. No.
Ay, putang ina.
Si Jack yan, Jack.
Henry, don't worry.
Eh, mag-transform na.
Get to the car
Now?
now.
Well, give me the fucking keys, dude. Give me the keys. Is
Are you?
that...
Namakbo ka na. Kasi na yung flashlight ko.
Ah, okay. Hindi natin siya kinokontrol. Well, nasa kanya yung keys eh. Paano tayo makakalis?
Jump us.
Kaya naman pala natin tumakbo ng ganyan. Oh,
Nabalil tayo, te.
no. I think tabi na tayo ng...
Oh my head.
No, ang dami nila. Is that cornfield or like tao yan?
I think na puno ata siya. Oh my god. Even conjuring na.
Chris. Hindi ba nakaano na siya?
Oh my god. Sa likod ka pa talaga.
Kasi na yung driver.
Si Chris.
Ayun.
Ano pa siguro sa ganung condition?
Oh my god, tinan mo yan siya oh. Ayun oh.
Wala siya.